So apparently TikTok is going to be banned in the United States. They've lost an appeal recently that is basically allowing this law to come into effect that it has to either be banned in the United States or they have to sell off a part of TikTok, which I think is just really weird because it basically just benefits their rivals in YouTube and Instagram, basically. But yeah, so I think it's kind of interesting. Apparently, in this article that's on BBC, they say that the law comes into effect one day before January 20th. And January 20th is Inauguration Day in the United States. That's when Donald Trump becomes the president of the United States. And I have a feeling that he's not going to be banning TikTok because Donald Trump has a TikTok account, right? They say they want to do this ban so that China doesn't have any influence, or the People's Republic of China doesn't have any influence over Americans, basically. And I think they said that there's 170 million users in the United States alone. So it's a really big thing. I feel really bad for some people who do their business through TikTok as well, because that's a loss of revenue for their small business. But yeah, it's just, I guess TikTok can still go to the Supreme Court and challenge it, and I think that's what they're supposed to do or they're going to do in the future. But it just seems really upsetting that, a platform where people can actually be creative and, that's really different from other social media platforms, and it's just like great for free speech and so on, and where a lot of people have businesses that are tied up in it, is now going to be blocked in the country. It's not going to be blocked anywhere else. Like, it's not blocked in Canada or in England and other English speaking countries. But yeah, it's a setback right now. So I think that they're going to the Supreme Court. I'm not sure when, but that's what it sounds like is going to happen in the future to try to overturn this law. Or who knows, maybe they'll appeal to Donald Trump when he is the president as well. What do you think about this? You wouldn't be able to access TikTok anymore. I don't think that a lot of people, like even in this article, one of the influencers who's on here says that she's not going to be switching her work from TikTok onto other platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. She's not going to do it. She's just going to lose her business. What do you think?